Hello everyone, welcome back to Ms. Cheryl's Place. Today's video is about a collaboration that is hosted by none other than Craft Today with Rita Rene. But before I get into that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. If you are new and my channel has shown up on your news feed, welcome. My channel is all about family, it's all about lifestyle, it's all about cooking, it's all about DIYs, decorating, tablescapes, and crafting. So if that is something that you are interested in and you have not yet joined my channel, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell. Therefore, you'll be notified for everything that I post on YouTube. I would like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. For all of my old subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you guys. I really appreciate you, and you are always in my thoughts. Well, today's video, once again, is a crafting video, and I can't wait to share it with you. It is a DIY video. This video is a collaboration that is hosted by, once again, none other than Craft Today with Rita Rene. If you'd like to see what I came up with, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so today's collaboration, once again, is hosted by Craft Today with Rita Rene. And the name of the collaboration is Valentines Sweets and Treats 2020. That is such a great name, and I absolutely love it. It's really cute. Rita decided that she would have us either create a DIY or purchase a gift for our Valentine. We had to include a heart and candy, and then the twist was that it had to be under $10. So here I am showing you guys what I have. The first bag was some little tore up mesh, and the second is a tin that says Happy Valentine's Day. It's a heart, y'all. I have a little bear here for my little Booger bear, my 16th grandbaby. I'm making this little basket for her, and that is my heart candy. She doesn't really need that much candy, so I didn't buy anything big and extraordinary. Here you see me adding some of my tore paper inside of the tin, and I'm going to fill it out and size it up for the height and depth that I need for everything that I'm about to do. First, I have to clean up my mess. You're going to need scissors for this, and, well, not so much scissors as you're going to need to have a glue gun and, once again, the little filler, the shredded filler. So like you see, I'm taking some out, and I'm going to add some more back in shortly because it's not going to be to the density that I wanted it to be. And I'm just moving it around and shaping it for the heart. Putting it in a heart size and shaping it for the heart, trying to fill it but not overfill it. Because like I said, I'm going to need to add those items, which is the bear and the box of Valentine's candy. I had to fluff out the bear's eyes because for some reason they were covered, so I had to keep fluffing them. You'll see me messing with it so that you'll be able to see the eyes. I started to trim it, but then I thought, nah, I'm going to just leave it because it's a little Dollar Tree toy. And also, guys, my purchase for everything that I have, it only came out to be exactly $4. So, Rita, I did stay under the $10 mark. Right here, I'm fidgeting with it because, as you see, I'm keep on maneuvering it because, like I said, I needed to put the filler in to give it the right depth in order for the items to be able to sit in that tin. I didn't want it to fall over. And plus, I wanted to be able to see the word day. So I had to keep messing until I got it exactly where you could see the word day. I didn't have to see all of it, but to give you an idea that it said Happy Valentine's Day. I started to add a stick and then just glue it, but then I thought, nah, because then that's going to reveal too much space. So what I did here is I opted out by taking out some more of the filler And that worked out much better. As you can see, I'm showing you guys that you can see the word day. I didn't want the candy box to lay down. I didn't want the bear to be overwhelmed. I just want it to be in a perfect angle. So I'm going to move the bear around and the candy again until I get it the way I want it. And there it is. I got it. I just had to figure out where I was going to glue it at. So I'm going to take some of my hot glue and I'm going to put it on, not the whole bottom, but enough to fit it in the groove where I can lean it and position it so that it will stay. And at first I thought, okay, it's not going to stand and stay, but it actually did, because it's a tin from Dollar Tree. It's not that heavy. It's not weighted down. So it actually stuck, and it surprised me that it did. So I'm just holding it till it cools off and starts to harden and stick. I'm also fidgeting with the bear to make sure that it sits the way that I want it to without falling out, and it's not pushing down too hard on the tissue paper or the shredded up paper, I'm sorry, that's in the tin. So you guys, I actually completed it, and I'm going to fix it again because I noticed that I'm not going to be able to see the word day completely. Right now I'm just trying to make sure that it's stuck on there. And it's stuck. Like I said, I was actually surprised that it didn't fall. But like I said, it's because it's a lightweight tin. So guys, I would like to thank you once again for watching and joining my channel. Thanks again, Rita, for the open invite. I really do appreciate it. You guys have a blessed day and a wonderful Valentine's. And always remember that you are always welcome at Ms. Cheryl's place. This is not goodbye, but see you in the next video.